SERV stock analysis and SERV stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So SERV Robotics, interesting, one word, I'm in. So let's see what the hell is this. That's 2 words, but I've called it out beforehand. I was waiting for this double break for quite some time and it finally started to pick up. So exciting times ahead, man. Here. This is what I was waiting for. This was 9 days ago. 27th. 27th was right here on this vertical line, and anything after that, it was just the price doing its thing. Doing what? Breaking for the second time, and already now it's on. So it's obviously all demo simulated. Please don't listen to me, do your own due diligence. If you want to learn the strategy for free though, click the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars. And I will see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.